We've stopped and we're keeping our social distancing right now, doing a little bit of media management. And I'm gonna make a sandwich. Got my peanut butter. I got my jelly. It's already pretty warm in there. Stinks. Okay, let's make some sandwiches. This is what's left. Got a little something to eat. This is almost done. That one's almost done too. Hey, boo boo. And we got the main back up. Double backing up. Having an outlet in the SUV, so key. The drive hooked up, awesome. Well, I already smell pollen. That looks like a nice place to roll, right?
1912 bed and breakfast, where it's at.
Say it again.
I said 1912 bed and breakfast is where it's at.
You gotta do the point though.
Okay, so 1912 bed and breakfast is where it's at. I can't do it now that I'm thinking about
Right,
it.
it's hard to do it when
Yeah, that's what acting is
it's
about.
where it's at. You need to come to our bed and breakfast.
Yeah, that's what, I can't do it now because you're like, put me on the spot.
No, listen, don't jump. Whatever you do, this is a long way down. Everybody,
I know.
don't jump from up there either.
Yeah, we just cleaned the porch yesterday. And
It looks
those
nice.
are actually supposed to be right in the middle to keep you from walking over.
These things here.
Yeah.
You need help
And
moving
if
them?
you,
I shouldn't touch anything.
Don't touch anything, yeah.
I got the virus. It's
So,
everywhere.
Yeah, and as soon as I'm able to go out and actually pick some flowers, those will be filled up with lots of flowers.
Lilacs.
You'll probably use some lilac, do some marigolds.
Is it pollen season right now for you?
This porch was yellow yesterday,
Oh boy.
and we washed it off.
I better be careful. I'm going to keep this on.
Yeah,
You know,
we got a lot of pollen here.
I've been doing this, the fist bump, for 2 years. I got this a year ago
Wow.
because of what I was researching.
In Georgia, with all the pine trees, it's worse than it's here in South Carolina. You could drive down the road, and when it's really heavy pollen season, you can see just the waves of pollen going across.
Oh, that's nightmare for me.
It is, yeah. It's horrible.
It's toxic in a way.
Yeah, but luckily I don't have any allergies, so that's good.
Give it to me again. 1912.
Okay, so I hope you come back to visit with us because 1912 bed and breakfast is where it's at.
That was good. That was real good. That was worth the wait, Tracy. Hey, always better to you, okay?
All right.
No matter what, always better.
All right, have a good day, sir.
You too. John. You can call me John. Next time.
Okay, John.
Hopefully next year I get to see you. 1912 bed and breakfast right here. That's what's been going on. They've been vacant for a couple of weeks, but they're making do. Thank goodness one of them works. Beautiful place. Stayed here last year. We're here, body rolling in Sumpter, South Carolina, outside the 1912 bed and breakfast. Current owner is Tracy, who took it over in 2017. Pretty interesting place, considering that they've only been owners for about 2 years and are now dealing with this. Dealing with the V. So just doing a little bit of body rolling here, trying to release, or make myself feel good. Going up the right side of the spine and then the left side. And I'll probably get some of the rib cage and shoulders. Oh, that feels good. Oh, I'm sinking. Okay, gotta put the mask on. Mainly because of pollen. Atmospheric conditions are gorgeous. But there's also the V. but this is because of pollen, because I can smell it.
It's a fact. Whatever wants to change.
What is going on? What is this adventure? What is this most excellent journey? What is going on, and what do we do about it? I asked the last two questions about a year ago, and that's what led me to Mike Morales and Weather Modification 101, and beginning to learn so many things over the past 14, 16 months. And from there, what really brought me into it was Mike's First Amendment being messed with. And Mike Morales has experienced various degrees of that over the past year. There are other people out on YouTube and on other forums that are censored. And it's unfortunate because they're giving such wonderful information to open people's eyes and to begin to deprogram so many. So this trip is about a First Amendment audit of the country while checking out as many places as I can, from Florida up to my home. And hopefully I'm going to meet a few characters along the ride, and hopefully we can still find things to build on with one another. They can't take our heart away. They can't take our love away. They can't take your faith. They can't take your always better perspective. Anyway, that's what we're doing. So I appreciate your support, likes, share out. We're going to put as much together as we can once we're done with this, and hopefully it'll chronicle what I just explained. First Amendment audit on the country, and how much information do we actually know and can we process? How do we deprogram the narratives? We do have to start going more a holistic route, you know? Oh, I know, I'm going. But holistic route, that's where we gotta go. These doctors don't know what they're doing. Okay. Main entrance. Well, she was still checking that person in. Heck of a procedure. Budget is here. This video was brought to you by Budget. At the hospital, delivering supplies, pillows, blankets, face masks, plastics,